Hi there, students. A clean sweep. Yeah, you take a brush and you sweep the floor. So we often use this phrase, a clean sweep, is a competition in which one team wins by a very big margin. Especially one where the opposition doesn't score or gets a very low score, or for example in an election, a clean sweep is where one side wins nearly all of the seats available. You can use this as well, a clean sweep, saying winning all the prizes in a competition. So the competition was a clean sweep for our team. We won all of the prizes available. Okay, so an overwhelming victory, a memorable clean sweep. To win all of the prizes, it was a clean sweep for my team. And a complete change, a thorough change. So for example, there's a proverb which says a new broom sweeps clean. This means if somebody new is in charge of a business or an organization, then everybody who is part of the previous administration is moved out of their position. Yeah, a new administration, a new broom sweeps clean. Okay, so a thorough and sweeping change. When the company was taken over, when the merger process finished, or the takeover process finished, all of the people in positions of power were removed. There was a clean sweep of managers. So a clean sweep, a complete change, a clean sweep of the staff in charge of this department. A victory in which one side wins all of the games or all of the contests. So my team won a clean sweep in the series. The election was a clean sweep for the incumbent president. So the removal of all the unwanted people to start afresh, to start anew. The new owners of the company made a clean sweep of the old order. We made a clean sweep at the athletics competition and we won all of the races. So a clean sweep, winning all the parts of a competition, or winning very, very easily. So a clean sweep, a large-scale removal of unwanted people. The new CEO the new Chief Executive Officer made a clean sweep and replaced everyone in the department. I guess you could sweep an area clean. You sweep it clean with the broom, but we're using this more figuratively. And then victory by a large margin. A clean sweep where the opposition has absolutely no chance of winning anything at all. So it was a clean sweep. Okay, where one team wins all the medals available at a sporting event. So at the Olympics, it was a clean sweep for the Great Britain team, and they won all of the medals in every event. Come off it. Okay, a clean sweep, formality. 3.5 in formality. I think maybe a 4 in formality. Use informally in a semi-formal conversation. semi-formal writing and stop there. And the idea is you take a broom and you sweep clean, yeah, so that there's nothing belonging to anyone else there. It's a clean sweep. You won everything. Or you get rid of all of the people belonging to the old order or who were there previously. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A clean sweep.